function f of x is defined for all real x by f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. Find an expression for f to the minus 1 of x, which is the inverse function. Sketch the graphs of y is equal to f of x and y is equal to f to the minus 1 of x on the same diagram, and find the set of values for which f of x is less than f to the minus 1 of x. Okay, so let y be equal to 2x minus 3. The inverse exists because this is a one-to-one function. 2x minus 3. What you do is you now make x the subject, so it will now become y plus 3 is equal to 2x, and therefore x will be y plus 3 over 2. Express in terms of x, so f to the minus 1 of x, instead of y we will now write x, we write x plus 3 over 2. Right, we now need to sketch that one and that one on the same graph. Okay, so drawing a set of axes. Okay, going to mark on minus 3 first of all, because y is equal to mx plus c. And then for every one along it goes 2 up, for every one along it goes 2 up. And then similarly here, we'll split the denominator up, it's half x plus 3 over 2, so it will go through the point 3 over 2. And then for every 2 along it go 1 up, so we get this graph here. Notice that they reflect each other in the line y is equal to x as expected. It only will look right if you draw the graph with equal aspect. Right, from the graph, where the intersect is 3, so for x less than 3, the function itself is less than the inverse. So you can actually do that from the graph. If the question showed detailed reasoning, one way you could do it is you could say that 2x minus 3 is less than x plus 3 over 2. Take the 2 up here, you're going to get 4x minus 6 is less than x plus 3. You're going to collect the x's up, you get 3x, and then you get 9, and then you get x is less than 3. Or you could find where 2x minus 3 is equal to x, and then say where it's going to be less than that. That's another way of doing it. A solution set will be x belonging to the real numbers such that x is less than 3. So it's been a video to show you how to find the inverse of a simple one-to-one function and sketch the graph of itself and the inverse, and then use the graph to solve a simple inequality. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.